Hi guys, I have two Amazon unboxing to do, so come guys, come, let's open this box together. This is my first time having an Amazon product and I'm gonna unbox it and you guys gonna see it. So let's go. So first one. Alright, the first thing, this is a phone screen. So I have a S10 phone at home and I get a phone screen for it. Okay, so let's open it so that you guys can see. Guys, you kind of have to open it now. I don't have a knife right here, so I have to get this to it. Cut the other side. Guys, I don't have a knife, so it takes a little time. Tape. So, it's hard, so the boss. Too long, man. Alright, finally. This is the kit to put it on. Guys, so I don't know what this is for, but all I know, it's a kit for a phone screen. It's a S10 phone screen, and it is in here. Phone screen, so it's a S10 phone screen. All right, so let's put it back. Put it right back. Put it right back. So this is finished. Put it right back. Alright, fling this over the stove. The next thing, as you see this, you know what it is. As you see this, you know what it is. It's a ring light and a phone stand. Alright, so let's go. the light. This is the light. This is the light. There you go. This over here also. And this is the start. So let me quickly put it together. Let me quickly put it together. Put it together so you guys can see it. First then open the foot, then put this in here. Quickly put it up so you guys can see it, and you can adjust as you want it. It's now okay, see if I can do this. I'm trying. It's not straining at all. Anyways, guys, you know what it is like already. So I wanted to screw this in, but it's not working. So you can see it. But yeah, it's a ring light. Yeah. And this one, I'm just take off that. So the extension is just let down. You just pull these, no, and it go down, push it up and lock it. Alright, so this is it. Close it up back. Yeah, and put it away. Put it away. So I have one more for you guys. One more unboxing to do. This one is a big one. Unboxing, one more unboxing. Let me get something to cut it. So I'm gonna use this to cut it. So this is more thicker, so you can cut it faster. guys, this is a grill. Open. Let's open. Let's open. 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 Guys, you see this? This is it. It's a air fryer. See that, guys? It's an air fryer. It's a air fryer. You open it. Pull this little tape here, pull this one, pull it out. Ta-da! This guy is an air fryer. Yeah. This way. So I got my air fryer to take home with me. So that is the unbox product, guys, and it's on the top. You press the top. Let me show you. On the top here, press there, and you put in whatever you're putting in, and I hit that. Yes. So I got myself a air fryer. Yes, for Christmas. So my Christmas will be bright. Alright, so we get here. This looks like prepare your kitchen. So here I have the booklet to show you the do's and the don't, and a recipe book likewise. So I get a recipe book with it, the do and the do's, to how to operate it, do and don't, and a recipe book. So guys, this is all I have to show you for now until I have another unboxing. I'll take you along the journey. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you do enjoy it. Yes guys, this is it, and this is my Christmas gift. This is my Christmas gift, guys. My Christmas gift. I got my Christmas gift. And this is the grill you put inside. When you pull the jar open, when you pull here open, you put this inside and rest it down. You can put the chicken, you can put whatever you want to do on this. Yeah, this is it. Right here, so. Thank you guys so much for watching this unbox. This is my first unbox, guys. Look at me last way to open it. I do hope you like this video. Like, share, and subscribe. Right? Thank you so much for watching. Just come right here. Sure. Alright guys, thank you so much. See you in the next one. see you in the next unboxing. Thank you. I hope you like my gift. Thank you for watching. Remember guys to like, share and subscribe. This is my Black Hen. Check it in. Bye. Alright guys, so we have one more unbox left to go. It's the smallest among the package, so let's go. Come on guys, come with me. See if you can see what is this from afar. See if you can see what is it. All right, so let's go. Let's go. Put it right here so you can see it. Put that over there, so. Ta-da! Ta-da, 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 guys, you know what this is? It is a selfie stick. Yes guys, so this is one more unboxing. Let's see how it works. All right, can extend, and then you put the phone. Let me get a phone. Open this, turn this that way, open here, so. Alright, then I put the phone. Then I put the phone in it. Let me see. Phone in it, and then can put it on the floor or on the table, and you press. Let me show you the remote. Here is the remote. Here is the remote. This is the remote. This is the remote, so you can hook it up. This is the remote. You can hook it up. Let's see it up. Alright, so it's a bit better. So this is the remote. You put it up to the phone. Here is the string for it. Push the string in here. Where put the string? Here. Right here. So you go, you do it so look like this. Oh yes. And when you want to take the selfie, you just set the phone right there, sir. And you press this clean. Press and you clean, and you set the picture, and you set anywhere you want to set. Yes guys, so this is a selfie stick. Sit there guys, selfie stick. Yes, something I go on, go on with me little self. One more unbox, guys. Yes, guys. Again, this phone heavy, so I won't be using this phone on it. I will be using the iPhone. The iPhone I will be using on it. So when I want it to lock up, I just do that. Can extend. You press right here. And you get it in. Turn on this. Now you turn on this for the Bluetooth here, and then you press it. When you connect to the phone, you press, you turn on, press it to the phone, you turn on this, yeah, and then you press, yeah, that's it. See there, see the light on, the two light on. Yes guys, so my thing hook man, yeah man, yeah man, we get the nice little selfie, you know. And we know the business, Rafi. We have to enlarge, you know, we can't do at one place all the time. New in the YouTube thing, so we have to enlarge yourself. Self what they get the little necessary little tool that we need. So we think can look shot, yeah. See there guys. Can fold up, selfie stick, you can fold up. You can set it this way, you put it on the ground, open it up, and you use this to take the picture. Or you can lock it down, lock it in, and close it and put it away, right? Yes guys, so guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Until you see another video from me. Bye. Love you all. So guys, I want from my table still. I have all kind of thing on my table. My Bible, my headphone, my books, yeah, books. I don't know, say, reading I for go on, yeah. And a little notebook to take the little notes there. Right there, so I have my puzzle book. Yeah. On my puzzle book. When I'm ready, I do my puzzle. Yes guys, so again, big up to everybody. And this is me unboxing my first Amazon unbox. Yes guys, like up the video, share, and tell a friend to tell a friend that my black hen is going places. Alright, big up on yourself. Out.